Have you ever wondered what the world tastes like when every country tells its own story through food? Today we are going on a food journey around the world exploring the best local cuisine every traveler must experience. From rich spices to simple comfort meals, every dish carries culture, history, and emotion. Watch till the end and tell me which country's food you would try first in the comments. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cinematic travel journeys. 10. Italy and classic pasta pizza culture. Italy is known worldwide for its rich and comforting cuisine full of tradition and flavor. Pizza from Naples is cooked in wood-fired ovens with simple fresh ingredients. Pasta dishes like carbonara and bolognese are loved across the globe. Olive oil, cheese, and tomatoes define the base of Italian cooking style. Street cafes serve espresso and pastries in relaxed environments. Each region of Italy has its own unique signature dish. Food is deeply connected to family and long culinary traditions. Italian cuisine feels like comfort and simplicity turned into art. It feels like every meal is prepared with love and patience, where fresh ingredients and tradition come together in perfect harmony that has lasted for generations. 9. Japan and precision culinary experience. Japan is famous for its clean, precise, and artistic approach to food. Sushi is prepared with extreme care using fresh seafood and rice. Ramen bowls combine broth, noodles, and toppings in perfect balance. Tempura offers crispy textures with light and delicate flavors. Street food includes takoyaki and yakitori grilled on open flames. Presentation is as important as taste in Japanese cuisine. Seasonal ingredients define what is cooked throughout the year. Japanese food feels like discipline and beauty on a plate. It feels like every dish is crafted like a masterpiece, where balance, silence, and perfection are combined into an experience rather than just a meal. 8. India and explosion of spices and flavors. India offers one of the richest and most diverse food cultures in the world. Curries are made using hundreds of spices blended into unique flavors. Street food includes samosas, chaat, and spicy snacks everywhere. Biryani is a famous rice dish full of aroma and richness. Each region has completely different cooking styles and ingredients. Vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes are equally popular. Food is often shared in large family gatherings. Indian cuisine feels like a festival of spices and emotions. It feels like every bite is an explosion of taste where heat, sweetness, and aroma come together in a powerful celebration of cultural diversity and tradition. 7. Mexico and bold traditional street cuisine. Mexican cuisine is bold, colorful, and deeply connected to culture. Tacos are filled with meat, vegetables, salsa, and lime. Tamales are steamed corn dough filled with rich flavors. Street food markets are full of spicy and fresh dishes. Chili peppers are used in almost every traditional meal. Corned beans and tortillas are the foundation of cuisine. Food is often prepared with family passed down recipes. Mexican cuisine feels like history wrapped in spice and flavor. It feels like every dish carries the spirit of celebration and heritage, where food becomes a symbol of identity and joy shared across generations. 6. Thailand and sweet, spicy street food harmony. Thailand is famous for balancing sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors perfectly. Pad Thai is one of the most famous noodle dishes in the world. Tom Yum soup combines spicy and sour taste in one bowl. Street markets are full of fresh cooked meals and fruits. Mango sticky rice is a popular tropical dessert. Food is cooked fresh right in front of customers. It feels like every meal is carefully balanced between heat and sweetness, creating a perfect rhythm of taste that surprises and delights in every bite. 5. France and elegant culinary art. France is known for its refined and elegant culinary traditions. Baguettes and pastries are freshly baked every morning. Croissants are buttery, soft, and globally loved. Fine dining focuses on presentation and technique. Cheese and wine culture is deeply rooted in tradition. Sauces and cooking methods define French cuisine style. Street bakeries fill cities with fresh aroma every day. French food feels like elegance and craftsmanship on a plate. It feels like every dish is designed with artistic precision, where flavor, texture, and beauty come together in a way that defines luxury and refinement. 4. China and ancient culinary diversity. China has one of the oldest and most diverse food cultures in the world. Noodles, dumplings, and rice dishes are common staples. Regional cuisines vary from spicy Sichuan to mild Cantonese flavors. Street food includes bao buns, skewers, and pancakes. Cooking techniques include steaming, frying, and stir-frying. Meals are often shared among large groups of people. It feels like every region tells a different story through food, where centuries of tradition shape every dish into something meaningful and deeply cultural. 3. Turkey and rich Middle Eastern fusion cuisine. Turkish cuisine blends Middle Eastern, Mediterranean, and Central Asian influences. Kebabs are grilled meats served with bread and sauces. Baklava is a sweet dessert made with layers of pastry. Street vendors serve simit and roasted chestnuts daily. Tea culture is deeply connected to daily life. Spices and herbs are used in balanced, flavorful ways. Meals are often shared in social gatherings. Turkish cuisine feels warm, rich, and deeply cultural. It feels like every meal is part of a shared experience, where food brings people together in a comforting blend of tradition and hospitality. 2. Lebanon and fresh Mediterranean cuisine. Lebanese cuisine is known for fresh ingredients and balanced flavors. Hummus and falafel are globally loved traditional dishes. Grilled meats and salads are served in generous portions. Olive oil, lemon, and herbs define most recipes. Meze platters include many small shared dishes. Street food is simple, fresh, and full of taste. Food culture is closely tied to family gatherings. It feels like every meal is designed for sharing and connection, where freshness and simplicity create a natural sense of comfort and joy. 1. Peru and unique fusion of flavors. Peruvian cuisine blends indigenous Spanish and Asian influences. Ceviche is a famous dish made with fresh raw fish and citrus. Potatoes and corn are native ingredients used in many meals. Street food includes anticuchos and grilled skewers. Flavors range from spicy to citrusy and refreshing. Lima is known as a global food capital today. It feels like a perfect balance of ancient heritage and modern creativity, where every dish reflects the country's diverse culture and natural richness. This food journey shows how every country expresses its identity through flavor and tradition. Tell me which cuisine you would try first in the comments below. Share this video with someone who loves food and travel. Subscribe for more cinematic cultural journeys around the world. Your next unforgettable taste adventure is waiting on the planet.